Hi everyone, I'm Oliver and welcome to SSGTV. May 1st was the start of our newest promotional period, and in this period we have new product launches from brands like 1821, Keune, and 11 Australia, along with exclusive salon service group promotions and a ton of free marketing materials for you to use on social media and in your salon. When we come back, Mikayla will be talking to you about something new from Keune that could expand your color offerings and save you time and make more revenue.
Hey everyone, I'm Mikayla, and today I'm going to talk to you about Keune Semi-Color. These demi-permanent shades are based on a unique, scientifically advanced formula for gorgeous shine and superior conditioning. Created to deliver heavenly luminous, silky smooth hair, Semi-Color's versatile formula comes in stunning packaging and offers endless possibilities that will bring out the best in you and your clients. This complete range of 75 colors and 14 brand new shades creates endless color possibilities and creative options for long-lasting results and up to 70% gray coverage. Semi-Color includes nourishing shine and smoothing complex for a color experience your clients will love. Are you ready to shine on? See you later.
Thanks, Mikayla. If you want more information about Semi-Color, reach out to your store or salon consultant and they can help answer all your questions. With 2021 being a year of renewals, I'm sure you all have been working on reviving your outer beauty routines just like I have, which obviously I need a little more time getting back in the groove of. But for the past 5 weeks, stylists have been looking inward and focusing on their mental wellness with Salon Service Group's Wellness Workshop series, hosted by Sandy Thines. Sandy is a beauty industry guru with over 20 years experience and is now a beauty and wellness coach that's cultivated the Beauty Flow method. Jaimie sat down with Sandy to talk about this powerful wellness series.
So you're leading a workshop with all of us here at SSG, and some of our clients, our stylists, are joining on as well. So what can someone expect from your workshops, like the one you're doing for us?
So the number one thing is building awareness. Like, I want you to expect the fact that you are going to you're going to have awareness now. And what I mean by that is, like, now you're going to have more awareness of what are your life priorities. Like, I bet you after now, if you went through that one, like, now you're like, okay, what are my priorities? Is my priority scrolling on Instagram every morning, or is my priority doing something healthy for myself? Awareness of how the circuitry of your brain works, and how sometimes you shouldn't believe everything you think, right? Awareness of what a food choice can do for you. Awareness of how all of that amounts to beauty. And so that is the number one thing that you're going to expect out of this, is just awareness.
Yeah, I agree with you. I'll be honest, I'm not doing like the steps that I think I need to, but I'm more aware of, like, I have been sitting here for 5 minutes, like, just looking at nothing on my phone. I need to get up and move. Like, I think that's what I think I'm at with it. But yes, I totally agree with you. So,
and it's just baby steps, right? So, like, right. You don't need to make these grand gestures. It could be these small shifts that build up to the big shift. It's all good.
Yes, I think that's, and I think you present it in a good way. That you're like, don't feel bad about it. This is what you're doing at this moment. This is your priority right now, and I think that's really important.
Thank you, Jaimie and Sandy. To watch the full interview and past sessions, or if you're interested in signing up for future sessions, check the link below. We also wanted to mention that the majority of our brands are still offering digital education for color, styling, and more. These classes can be found on our Education and Events Facebook page or at salonservicegroup.com/education. See you next time.